Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my series about the steps to building a home. My name is Matt Bogosian. I am a real estate agent in Thompson Station, Tennessee. If you haven't seen part one, make sure you go back and check that out. This is part two, and in today's video, I'm gonna talk about why all those concrete blocks are stacked just like that. Come on, let's go. All right, so we are having our home built on what is called a crawl space. So these concrete blocks right here are set down in concrete on top of the footings that we talked about last week. They are set in concrete mortar and then leveled, and the house will sit on top of them. The nice thing about a crawl space versus a concrete slab is you have access to all the electrical and plumbing, so that's nice in case you want to do a renovation or make a change to something in the house. So generally you want to have at least a minimum of 18 inches height in your crawl space, and really if you think about it, someone needs to be able to crawl under there and fit if there needs to be repairs or maintenance done. Our house, like I mentioned in the video before, slopes from front to back. So in the front, we're gonna have a minimum height here, and then it gets much taller in the back, probably about 5 feet, which is really nice. There's lots of space back there if someone needs to make some repairs or do some work. All right, so in addition to the foundation walls that you see, there's also these stacks of concrete blocks throughout the interior of the house. Now, these blocks are called the piers. The piers are also sitting on concrete footings, just like the exterior walls. Now, the role of the piers is to support the wood beams that's gonna span across them from wall to wall. And then on top of those beams is when all the framing and flooring gets started and the house gets built up from there. These piers basically help support the weight of the house and distribute that weight evenly. All right guys, so this crawl space you see right here is actually far from finished. When we come back in part 3 of my series, I'm gonna show you what a complete encapsulated crawl space looks like and what that process entails. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, leave a comment. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you next time.